What if I told you your first $10,000 has almost nothing to do with luck, intelligence, or having rich parents? If you want to make your first $10,000, watch until the end. First of all, you should learn a valuable skill, because nowadays there is no job where you can earn money without putting in effort. For this reason, I recommend a few skills, such as video editing, drop shipping. There are many other skills like this, but you should choose one that genuinely interests you or brings you happiness. Consistency and patience are crucial here, and maintaining consistency requires a genuine interest in the work. Also, if you'd like me to create a separate live test video on dropshipping, please leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get to the main point. You might be wondering, I've learned the skill, but how do I actually make money from it? Let's take video editing as an example. You can post samples of your editing work as Instagram Reels while simultaneously building a portfolio to share with major creators through DMs. If they like your work, they'll definitely hire you, and you can charge them according to your own rates. Your first $10,000 isn't made by working harder. It's made by becoming more valuable every single month. Remember this. Your income is a reflection of the problems you can solve. The bigger the problem, the bigger the paycheck. So stop chasing money. Start building skills. If you want to build wealth and develop a millionaire mindset, subscribe.